Good morning ka-friendship! At today's video ay magluluto tayo ng vegetable lumpia. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Hello everyone, this is Toto Mira. Sana samahan ninyo ako sa bawat pagluluto ko sa aking munting kusina. Okay, here are the ingredients. We have here 1 cup shrimp. Meron tayo ditong 200 grams na ground pork. Lumpia wrapper. 6 cloves garlic. 1 piece onion. 1 piece tomato. 2 pieces calamansi. Meron tayo ditong 2 cups na monggo sprout, 3 pieces carrots, and meron tayo ditong 2 cups na hiniwa na baguio beans. And ka-friendship, gagamit din tayo ng knorr liquid seasoning, cooking oil, and of course, salt and pepper. Okay ka-friendship? Let's do the rock and roll. Okay, what we're going to do first, ka-friendship, sa ating preheated wok, maglalagay tayo ng konting cooking oil. Isusutay natin yung garlic. Tapos sunod natin yung onion. And then yung tomato. And after that, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating ground pork. Pwede na natin idagdag yung ating shrimp. Lagyan natin ng konting salt and pepper. And then, dagdagan na rin natin ng knorr liquid seasoning para ma-absorb ng pork natin yung lasa ng mga liquid seasoning. So, ayan. Gigisa na lang muna natin siya dyan sa friendship. Hintayin natin maging brown yung ating pork. Ayan ka friendship. Medyo brown na yung pork natin. At this point, pwede tayo magdagdag ng konting tubig, the boiling the better, just to make sure na maluluto yung ating pork. Okay, so ayan, konti lang, mga half ng friendship. So, hayaan na lang muna natin sa dyan hanggang totally na maluto yung ating pork. So, friendship, luto na yung pork natin. At this point, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating baguio beans. Saka yung ating carrots. Okay, so hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan sa friendship ng 3 to 5 minutes or hanggang maluto yung vegetables. Yung ka-friendship, luto na yung carrots at saka baguio beans natin. At this point, idagdag natin yung ating monggo sprout. Ayan. So, haluin lang muna natin siya. Mix very well. And then, hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan sa friendship ng 2 to 3 minutes or hanggang totally na maluto yung ating monggo sprout. Ito na yung ating monggo sprout. So, what we are going to do next is mag-squeeze tayo ng dalawang calamansi to enhance the flavor of our lumpia fillings. So, ayan. chef. So, ang gagawin natin is ita-transfer natin ito sa isang lalagyan and let it cool bago natin ibalot sa ating lumpia wrapper. Chef, ayan na malamig na yung ating lumpia fillings. So, what we're going to do next is ibabalot natin siya sa lumpia wrapper. Kuha lang tayo ng konti. Ayan, ng mga at least isang kutsara. And then, ibabalot lang natin siya. Ayan. And then, i-seal lang natin siya ng water. So, ayan. Gawa tayo ulit ng isa. Ayan. I-roll lang natin. I-fold sa gilid. And then, i-seal lang natin ng water. Okay, so, ayan siya ka-friend chef. Babalutin ko lang muna lahat itong ating lumpia fillings and then bago natin ito iprito. Okay, so see you later ka-friend chef. So, ayan ka-friend chef. Naibalot na natin lahat yung ating lumpia fillings. So, what we're going to do next is maglalagay tayo ng cooking oil sa ating preheated wok. At ipiprito natin yung ating lumpia. So, ayan. Mainit na siya. So, ipiprito lang natin siya ka-friend chef. Okay, so, hayaan na lang muna natin sa dyan ka-friend chef hanggang mag-golden brown yung ating lumpia. Chef, ayan, golden brown na yung ating lumpia. So, what we're going to do next is i-remove natin siya sa wok. And then, ilalagay natin sa plato na may paper towel to remove the excess oil. Friend chef, ito na po yung ating finished product, yung ating vegetable lumpia. Okay? So, magiging masarap, lalo siyang masarap ka-friend chef kapag lagyan natin ng sausawan. So, ayan. Ketchup lang ka-friend chef yung ginawa kong sausawan. Okay ka-friend chef, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang niluto ko sa araw na ito. Kindly hit that like and share button. And to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Okay, ka-friend chef, pagpasensyahan ninyo yung medyo or yung paus kong boses. Okay, so once again, this is Tutup Mira at your service. Always remember that for every dark night, there is always a brighter day. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye.